Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to send a long passcode on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and now I'm on my lock screen, and if I want to unlock my device, all I have to do is just swipe up to bring up unlock screen where I have to enter a passcode. And let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I have 9-digit passcode instead of 4 or 6 that it was before. Now I can hit on OK. I almost forgot 0. And now I can unlock my device. So as you can see, I got 10 digits passcode. And now let me show you how you can set a long passcode at your iPhone. So first, open up settings. Then on settings, scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode feature. Just get into it. Then it asks to enter current passcode. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Done. And it moves me to Face ID and passcode. Once you are here, just scroll down, and there you can easily find the change passcode feature. Just get into it. It asks you to enter your old passcode again. Then you can hit on next, and on that step you can create new passcode for your device. It offers you to enter 6 or 4 digits passcode by default, but you can hit right here at passcode options, and if you want to set custom numeric code you can select that option, or if you want to set custom alphanumeric code you can select the first one. I'll just pick that option, and now I can set for example 7-digit passcode. So I'm gonna tap at the number 1 7 times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then hit on next. It says that this passcode can be easily guessed, so I'm showing you just for an example, and I'll keep that passcode, so I'm gonna tap on use anyway. But if you got that screen, I strongly recommend you to hit at change passcode and set a strong passcode for your device. So I'll hit at use anyway, and now I can verify that new passcode. So you have to just retype it and then hit on done to set new custom numeric passcode at your device. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone and lock screen tutorials playlists, where you will find another useful tutorials. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.